Did you know that businesses waste over 20 hours per month on manual data entry between their CRM and their email marketing platforms? That's valuable time you could be spending growing your business instead of copying and pasting contact information. If you're manually transferring contacts from Knack to Mailchimp, you're not just wasting time, you're risking a 15% error rate that could actually damage customer relationships and compromise campaign effectiveness. At Knack, we developed Knack Flows. This is a new powerful solution that will help you eliminate this problem completely. Our native integration with Mailchimp automatically syncs your contacts in real time with zero manual effort and is perfect for accuracy every time. Whether you're managing a small business, database, or enterprise level contact lists, our Knack Flows integration works for teams of all sizes. And the best part, you can set it up in under 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. Let me show you how to automate your Mailchimp marketing workflows and reclaim those hours for what really matters, growing your business. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first, what we're gonna do is inside of here, you can see I have a member directory. You can do it with pretty much anything you have set up, whether it's member directories or your client portal. I can go into the flow section and simply go to create a flow from scratch and then try this out. So say for example, anytime we have a new record in Knack, I can click on new record in Knack for the trigger, right? I would select the client portal that I'm in, okay? I would grab the contacts, and as you can see on the contact side under records, I'd be able to add a record here and show you exactly what I'm getting at. So here we go. I'm gonna continue. And now what it's gonna do is set this trigger up. And from there, what we'll wanna do is add the data to Mailchimp. Okay, so we can do Mailchimp, and what we wanna do is add subscriber to the list. All right, so from here, what we can do is we can press add linked app, grant access. I'm gonna log into my account to authorize it. Okay, so it just takes a moment. So we have linked the app successfully. Now, I have different lists here. I can select members or whatever it would be. This could be for specific groups of people. So always want to factor that in. But for this, what we're going to do is status is we're going to mark them as subscribed because we want to make them subscribed to the list. We could change it to anything else like unsubscribed if we just want to add it to our Mailchimp and figure out whether to subscribe them later. Their email is going to come from the email table field inside of Knack. And then we can put in, it says in date and time. We could put date and time for the in date and time opt-in or the sign up date. It's up to you. I'm going to keep it empty just for the purposes of this example, though. I do want to show you, you can add it as well. Okay. So the name would be the name of the person that's the contact. All right. So let's press save here and check it out. So what we can do is we can press start here to test this out. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to check results. Then I'm actually just going to go into a new tab and add a new record. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put myself and add my email. And then I don't need to put an address, obviously, but we do need to have my name and my email, right? So let's press birthday. I actually was born on February 21st. I won't tell you the year. Now let's do submit. Okay, now over here, what we have is the ability to press update data. And as you can see, we have success here. So I just did a double check test for myself, but if I go inside of my Mailchimp account now, and if I look up this email, you'll see it says my name and that I am subscribed. So extremely easy to do. So simple, so effective. And with this process, you can do a lot of different things. Obviously, it doesn't have to be just adding people to specific lists, which means they'll get added to specific campaigns. You also can create a flow from scratch and start with Mailchimp, for example, so that what you can do is anytime you get a new subscriber in a list, right, you could add it back to, say someone signs up for a membership, for example. You can go inside here and actually create a record. You can do either real time or data migration, so a bulk historical move. I'm just going to do real time because I don't want to move everything over, but that would be possible. Then I can go to Knack and essentially keep it in sync. If people are signing up through our membership, we can then create a Knack record, right, to that client portal table of contacts, okay? And we would do the inverse. We would continue this. We would add the name for the full contact name. We would add their email, so email, and that would be the subscriber's email address. And if there's any other information in there, we could add it like if they have anything like their names or otherwise, of their occupation or whatever else could fit in here, like their address, etc. Then you press save, and from there, it would work the other way around. So what makes our integration better than others? For starters, we give you real-time syncing instead of batch processing only. And this means that as soon as someone enters your Knack database, they appear in Mailchimp instantly, which is perfect if you need to send time-sensitive offers. Now, this is really important because it's built into Knack and you don't need a third-party solution. And the built-in powerful filtering options for advanced users are going to make this a must. If you want to only sync contacts for people who checked yes on a field, for example, you absolutely can. For example, if in your CRM you have people set up to only receive marketing emails if they checked yes on a form, then they'll be added to Mailchimp, but if not, they won't be. You can just add a simple condition before the Mailchimp action to check out that failed value, and this gives you precise control over who receives your campaigns. Our solution also grows with you, whether you have 100 or 10,000 contacts. The integration runs smoothly without slowing down. You can easily tweak the workflow as your business evolves, making this a long-term solution for your marketing needs. So we just eliminated hours of manual data entry from your week. By automating contacts and flowing them from Knack to Mailchimp, you'll get perfect data accuracy, faster campaign launches, and more time for strategic marketing instead of copying and pasting. Are you ready to transform your marketing workflow? Set up this integration today using Knack Flows and see how it boosts your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, please like our video and subscribe for more automation tips from our team. Got questions about customizing this for your specific needs? Drop them in the comments down below, and our experts will help you get everything set up for success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.